What changes to my peat-free potting media have made my plants go from nutrient deficient to lush and green and healthy? So glad you asked. I would love to tell you. If you've been following these videos, you know that for my first batches of potting media, I'm now having to spray the foliage because these plants are deficient in some nutrients, probably iron and manganese. However, if you look at these plants, they're doing great. There's not a single sign of nutrient deficiency anywhere. In my peat-free potting mix trials so far, there are 3 main differences that I can identify between the plants that have nutrient deficiencies and the ones that don't. 1, the surface area of the wood product. Instead of coarse wood chips, I'm using finely shredded wood chips. 2, I added pit moss, made out of recycled paper, spun up to mimic peat. I'm using the grower grade, so it doesn't have any nutrients in it, but it seems to change the way that the plants access the nutrients. And 3, there are a few nutrients in the GMB soil building conditioner. There's also a couple things that are meant to adjust pH. However, there was no pH issue with my original potting media, so I don't think that that's playing a role. And with those changes, I can grow these lush green plants without using peat or coir.